I used to weigh 260 pounds and I've lost over 80 pounds since then. How did I get to this point? First off, how did I get to the 260 pounds? Really, what is going on, everybody? It is Dave in here helping you play creatively. Today I'm going to share with you a story. Many of you may know this and some of you do not know this, but I used to be 260 pounds. And you can actually track this by going to many of my old worship leader hangout videos with my buddy Chad, and you can see the drastic difference in weight. I used to weigh 260 pounds and I've lost over 80 pounds since then. How did I get to this point? First off, how did I get to the 260 pounds? Really, to me, it's embarrassing. But I always knew what to do. I always knew what to do to lose weight, right? It was eat right, exercise, and have accountability. Eat right, exercise, and have accountability. However, I didn't apply those things, and I needed to apply all of them, not just one of those items, but I needed to apply every single one of those things. And I think it's the same for those who want to learn the piano and are wondering, why am I not getting better? To be honest, I think it applies to anything that we do in life that we want to grow in and where we feel like we've reached a plateau, like we're not pushing against that ceiling. Ask yourself, am I missing one of these areas? Now, I'm going to describe them to you as it regards to playing the piano. Eating right has to do with the right information. When I was trying to lose weight, I honestly thought I was eating right, but my wife will tell you, I would go and exercise, and then from there I would eat 5 tuna sandwiches afterwards. It was ridiculous, literally 5 tuna sandwiches. I thought I was eating right, but no, I was not eating right. Maybe tuna sandwiches weren't bad, but certainly 5 was ridiculous. Are you getting the right information in regards to where you are in your piano playing journey? Many of you guys are going through YouTube videos like mad, and you're just sifting through everything, and you kind of grasp a concept, but that's the thing, you've kind of grasped it. You don't fully understand it, and so when it comes to the application of that concept, it's a struggle. You're not fully utilizing the information well. And so the question is, are you getting the right information to help you apply it well so that when you learn a new concept, you have one good concept underneath your belt? So that's very important. This could be remedied by taking the right lessons with people, maybe getting a teacher. And I mention teachers because teachers are so crucial for accountability. Having a teacher for me in terms of my weight loss journey was absolutely essential. My good friend talked to me on the phone and told me exactly what I should eat. He said, do not deviate from this plan. And that was always my problem. I always thought I can deviate, right? Something else I did that made me accountable in terms of losing weight was I paid a friend of mine for every week I did not lose weight. I paid him also even more money for every week that I gained weight. I put myself on an accountability system. The same thing happened to me musically. I was paid for the songs that I learned by my parents. When I first started playing the piano, they would pay me $10. That $10 turned into money that I would earn from doing different gigs starting when I was 14 years old. When I played the piano at school, they didn't tolerate me coming in there and giving, being second best at it, right? They wanted my best all the time. And so having an accountability system is absolutely important in growing in your piano playing journey or whatever journey that you guys are on. And then consistent practice. Right? In my journey in losing weight, I always exercise. I always exercise every day. I don't miss one day of exercise except for Sunday, all right? I do that every day. And I think that should be the same in our journey in regards to playing the piano, that we should be practicing this instrument every day. And so I like to break that practice down in between songs that I'm learning, exercises, piano exercises, drills, and then working through a theory concept that's brand new to me and trying to apply it on the piano. And those are the 3 areas that I work on. I hope you see that there are many similarities in regards to trying to accomplish anything in life that seems to be difficult, trying to reach a new level in it. And in all of those areas, I think you need consistency in that area. That consistency often involves some form of practice or exercise. I think you need the right information. In regards to losing weight, it was eating right. In regards to playing the piano, it's knowing exactly what you need to do next. And then I think you need accountability. And that was absolutely essential for me, accountability. And you have to be doing all 3 of these things, and you need to do them all well. With that being said, if you want to grow in your piano playing journey, I definitely recommend you check out my website, website, play-creatively.com, where you can find everything you need to grow on your journey, even accountability. You want guidance? I'm gonna personally reach out to you when you sign up. All right, with that being said, I'll see you guys next week.